What if the job you're working today has already been replaced, and you're the last to know? Not next year, not in some distant future, right now, somewhere, inside systems you will never see. Algorithms are studying you, learning how you think, how you decide, how you solve problems, and then, quietly, doing it better, faster than you, cheaper than you, endlessly. Would you even notice the exact moment you became unnecessary? Because that moment doesn't feel like a crisis. It feels like nothing, no warning, no announcement, just fewer opportunities, fewer roles, fewer chances, until one day, you realize the system no longer needs you. Since the rise of artificial intelligence systems like ChatGPT, something deeper than technology has begun to shift. The structure of work itself. What once required teams of people now requires a single system. What once took hours now takes seconds. Entire professions, once stable, predictable, respected, are being compressed into software. But here's the dangerous part. Most people don't feel it yet, because exponential change is deceptive at first. It looks slow, harmless, even impressive in a distant, abstract way, until one day, it stops being impressive and starts becoming personal. For decades, automation replaced physical labor, machines in factories, robots assembling products, systems handling repetitive tasks. It was visible, contained, but this is different. This is cognitive automation, not replacing what you do with your hands, but what you do with your mind. And to understand why this is happening, you have to look at the force behind every decision in the modern economy: cost versus output. Every company is locked in this equation. Produce more, spend less, and for decades, the most expensive part of that equation has always been human labor. Not just salaries, but training, mistakes, delays, limitations. Now imagine replacing that entire layer with a system that works 24 hours a day, makes near zero errors, and scales infinitely. This is not innovation. This is a financial revolution. Because if a company can cut costs by 70, 80, even 90%, the decision is no longer emotional. It becomes mathematical. And in a competitive system, mathematics always wins. So the shift doesn't begin with headlines. It begins quietly. Customer support agents replaced by AI that never sleeps. Content creators replaced by systems generating thousands of words instantly. Data entry jobs erased completely. Because for machines, structured data is effortless. But these jobs aren't being publicly eliminated. They're being absorbed. Budgets shift from salaries to systems. Humans aren't fired. They're simply no longer needed. Inside companies, there's a term for this: silent layoffs. No announcement, just absence. And by the time it becomes visible, it's already too late. History tells us we've seen this before. During the Industrial Revolution, machines replaced manual workers. Later, computers erased entire categories of clerical jobs. Each time, the world adapted. New jobs replaced old ones. But this time is different, because machines used to replace tasks. Now, they replace thinking. Economist Joseph Schumpeter described innovation as creative destruction, old systems collapsing to make way for new ones. But today, destruction is accelerating faster than creation. And when that balance breaks, you don't get transformation. You get displacement, permanent. And the targets are no longer who you expect. It's not just repetitive jobs, it's knowledge workers. Junior lawyers analyzing contracts, accountants managing financial systems, even medical professionals interpreting complex data. AI is no longer assisting expertise. It is replicating it. And when machines begin to compete with what you know, the idea of job security begins to collapse. At the core of all this is a simple but powerful concept: marginal cost. The cost of producing one more unit of output. With humans, every additional task costs more time, more effort, more money. But with AI, once the system exists, producing one result, or 1 million, costs almost the same. The marginal cost approaches zero. And in business, that is power, because the company with the lowest cost wins. Faster growth, higher margins, total dominance, which means this shift is not optional. Even if companies want to resist, they can't, because refusing AI doesn't protect you. It makes you irrelevant. But the most dangerous part of this entire transformation is not economic, it's psychological. Humans are not built for exponential change. We expect stability. We assume tomorrow will look like today. We tell ourselves, my job is safe. This won't affect me. There's still time. This is the status quo bias. But AI doesn't need to replace you perfectly. It only needs to be good enough. And in a system driven by cost, good enough wins every time. All of this is accelerating toward a single moment, a tipping point. At first, progress feels slow. Then suddenly, it becomes unstoppable. AI is evolving into autonomous systems capable of handling entire workflows without human input, not just tasks, entire jobs. Industries begin to compress. Roles disappear, decisions accelerate, and by 2026, this stops being innovation. It becomes infrastructure. Some roles will survive, for now. Jobs that rely on human judgment, trust, leadership, unpredictability, but they are not immune, only delayed, because AI does not stop. It learns, adapts, expands. So where does that leave you? In a world where machines are no longer tools, but competitors, there are only two positions left: those replaced by systems, and those who use systems to replace others. The shift is clear: from worker to operator, from effort to leverage, from survival to adaptation, because the future will not reward how hard you work. It will reward how well you understand the system. And the truth is simple: the system is already moving. The only question is, when it reaches your job, will you be replaced? Or will you be the one in control? If you're still watching, you're already ahead of most people. But here's the uncomfortable truth: understanding this changes nothing unless you act on it. Because the system doesn't reward awareness, it rewards positioning. So ask yourself, are you early or already late? Drop your answer below.